Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, it's a midweek show. We got first up here, Sagicor Select Funds. This is the unaudited NAV, the net asset value here. As we've been covering this one, the select funds over the past couple of weeks, past couple of months, we've been talking about manufacturing and distribution, really rallying since we gave it more coverage around 82 cents, 83 cents. Now $1.04 per share, really making some moves. That's the manufacturing and distribution one or part of the select funds. That's Sagicor. Now the financial one not doing as well. That's expected given the pandemic pinch and what's happening there, probably with the loan provisions of a lot of the companies, whether primarily in the commercial banking sector, not as much the security dealer sector, but that sector is a bit hampered as well, which goes into this makeup. So that one is just under 84 cents, 0.838 or 83 cents and change. As we said, manufacturing distribution doing really well, now well above $1.04 per share. Next up tonight, we got Eppley Caribbean Property Fund. Don't mix it up with Eppley Limited. Now they're considering a dividend for this one here, the property side. The board of directors is going to get together mid-May, May 14th, 2021, to consider an interim dividend to stockholders. As we remind you, this is one of the stocks that gives you some nice juicy dividends, gives you some cash flow if that's what you want. It's been giving some capital gains as well, but primarily a cash flow company. Now GraceKennedy, that's GK, the conglomerate that's on fire, led by Don Webby and team. Now coming out here, interest in advisory, appointment of a new director. They haven't done that in some time. Lots of stability there at GraceKennedy. You don't typically see a new appointment or a change there, as well as a committee chair for the audit committee. Now this is Mr. Peter E. Williams. And so what's happening here, new director, effective actually, a little bit of a late notice here. It's April 1, 2021. Now Sterling Investments, not a company we talk about too much, that's SIL, coming out with an advisory here. Purchases done under the company's dividend reinvestment program that continues. They've been doing this pretty much, very periodically, or let's say annually, but we see this every so often. In this case here, a director and 3 connected parties buying up a total here, not a small amount, a nice amount here, approximately 501,000 shares under this program. Happened April 23rd, 2021. Last up tonight in BL, TransJamaican Highway, notice of their annual general meeting. The company goes on to say that this is a 20th AGM, so a lot of AGMs here behind TransJamaican and the company's history. It's going to be held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel on June 24th, 2021 at 10 a.m. in the morning. We look through other resolutions, there's just a whole agenda for the AGM. Everything looks normal, nothing, extraordinary or out of the ordinary. I'm Mark Croskery, this is BL.